Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here's a video I have gathered with some clips. I've been knitting this cardigan. I do have a playlist, so don't forget to check it out. It's top down Raglan, blazer, collar, coat. That's a long title, isn't it? Yeah. So it turned out fantastic. The yarn that I bought from Nemeo in Vancouver. And actually, I bought another cone. Her yarn is one of a kind because they're vintage. They've been in her stash for so many years. So she's trying to sell them. So it's 78% mohair, I believe, 10% wool. I washed it 3 times, and the shine, the end result, it's drying on the rack. I will do a ta-da video, but I just wanted to come here and say, wash your finished items. The end result is just fantastic. I just couldn't believe it. See, it's here. It's laying, and we'll see how it's gonna be. I used the entire yarn. I did some tricks to bind off. I will mention that on my live stream. So yeah, we'll talk soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.